Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Okay. So we already talked the 120 MCQs of the chapter number 2, and we cover it in the fourth videos lecture. Means the fourth videos lecture we already cover it. Okay. Means in all these four videos we almost cover 30 MCQs respectively. Now this is actually the fifth video, and in this fifth video we are continue our MCQs from 121. So let's talk. Now 121 MCQ says that bacterial locomotion is accomplished by, so it is mostly accomplished by flagella as well as fimbria. So D is the correct option, both A, B. Fimbria are demonstrated by, so it is most demonstrated by the hemagglutinin test. D is the correct option. The motile bacteria is Salmonella typhimurium. Again, Salmonella typhi. A is the correct option. Following cocci are non-motile except staphylococci. Staphylococci is what this is. This is the non-motile. Metachromatic granule are chemically composed. So it is chemically composed by polymetaphosphate. C is the correct option. Now 126 MCQ says that metachromatic granule can be stained with, so it is stained with methylene blue. B is the correct option. Bacteria multiply by, obviously it multiply by simply binary fusion. B is the correct option. Bacterial spores are, so the bacterial spores are mostly weakly acid fast. So A is the correct option. Endospores can be stained with malchite green. D is the correct option. The following bacteria produce pigment except, so every bacteria producing pigment, so only pneumonia, D pneumonia didn't produce the pigment. 131 MCQ says that the order of staining in gram staining procedure. So first of all we use crystal violet, then we use iodine solution, then we use alcohol, and at the end we use saccharine. So A is the correct option. Okay. Now 132 MCQ says that the percentage of the alcohol used in the gram staining, so 90% alcohol is mostly used. B is the correct option. Gram positive bacteria appear as, so it is appear as violet color. B is the correct option. Gram negative bacteria appear as, so it is pink. A is the correct option. The action of alcohol during gram staining is, so decolorize the cell. C is the correct option. 136 MCQ says that lipid content is more in the gram negative bacteria. A is the correct option. Cell wall is thick in gram positive but thin in gram negative. A is the correct option. MCQs number 38 says that lipid content present in gram positive bacteria cell wall is 1 to 5%. B is the correct option. Rickettsia stain by this technique respond as, so rickettsia stain, the correct option is gram negative. So B is the correct option. Chlamydia occur in both elementary bodies as well as reticulocyte bodies. In complex structure it is not mostly occur. So yeah, D is the correct option, both A, B. MCQs 140 says that chlamydia can be stained better with, so stained with Zen-Nelson staining and Castenda and Machilulina stain. Yeah, both B, C. D is the correct option. LG means seed weeds. B is the correct option. The study of LG, so the study of LG is called as phycology. B is the correct option. The free floating LG is known as, option is phytoplancanes. A is the correct option. Number 145 says that the sexual reproduction of LG is mostly carried out isogamy and, so D is the correct option, all of the above. MCQs number 46 says that advanced type of sexual reproduction is, so ogamy is the advanced sexual reproduction. 147 says that alganic acid and its salt are obtained from the cell wall of the brown algae. B is the correct option. 148 MCQ says that the mold obtain nutrition from the death and decaying matter which are called as, so we mostly call that spirochetes is the correct option. 149 MCQ says that most mold are capable of growing in the temperature ranging between mold is 0 to 35, so B is the correct option. MCQs number 150 says that example of actinomycete, so the actinomycete example is dermatophilia, so D is the correct option. So that's the other 30 MCQs related to the chapter number 2. I hope this videos help you. Thank you so much for watching.